Have you ever met someone who seemed incredibly strong? Tonight's Bible story is about a man named Samson, one of the strongest people who ever lived. But his greatest challenge wasn't a lion, an army, or a giant. It was learning whom to trust. Long before Samson was born, God had a special plan for his life. God gave him amazing strength. Samson could do things that no ordinary person could do. He protected his people and helped them when they were in trouble. Everyone saw how strong Samson was on the outside. But sometimes, even strong people can make unwise choices. As Samson grew older, he met a woman named Delilah. Samson cared for her very much. One day, Delilah began asking him a question. "Samson, what makes you so strong?" Samson didn't tell her the truth at first. But Delilah kept asking. Again and again she asked the same question. Finally, Samson told her the secret he had promised to keep. He forgot how important it was to obey God and protect what God had given him. That night, while Samson was sleeping, Delilah betrayed him by cutting off his hair. Samson lost his strength, and his enemies captured him. It was a very sad time. The strong man who had helped so many people now felt weak, lonely, and far from God. But here's the beautiful part of the story. Even when Samson made a mistake, God did not stop loving him. One day, Samson prayed. He asked God to help him once more. And God heard his prayer. God gave Samson strength again, and Samson finished his life trusting God. What can we learn from Samson's story? Being strong isn't just about muscles. Real strength comes from listening to God and making wise choices. We should be careful about whom we trust and listen to. And when we make mistakes, we can always pray and come back to God. God's love is bigger than our failures. Maybe today you've made a mistake. Maybe you didn't listen the first time. That's okay. Like Samson, you can talk to God. You can ask for His help. And God will always listen to a sincere heart. So tonight, as you get ready for sleep, remember this. God has a special purpose for you. Protect the good things He has placed inside your heart. Choose wisely. Trust God. And never forget that His love is always stronger than your mistakes. Good night, and may God watch over you as you sleep. If you enjoyed this Bible bedtime story, subscribe to Faith and Family Bible Club for more inspiring adventures from God's Word. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone you love. Sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the next Bible story.